how to recover Discord account without email. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's actually very easy. To recover your Discord account without email, you cannot do it here on Discord app. Instead, you need to open a browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. Here in the web address, type support.discord.com. We are going to chat with Discord support here, but there's a problem. Discord support only allows you to chat with them if you have Discord account. Since we no longer have access to our Discord account, we need to create a new account to recover our old account. Just click on the sign in button here and click on sign up. If you already have a second Discord account, you can proceed to signing in. After signing in, you need to click on the three lines icon here. Then click Submit a Request. Here, we need to choose what kind of help we need. Select Help and Support. For the type of question, select Account Verification and Credentials. For the type of issue, select Forget Password. Then the subject must be Forget Password. We need to scroll down and go to the description. We need to explain to Discord support what happened to our Discord account. For the attachment, you can add a file or a screenshot as proof of ownership, but it's optional, you can just skip it. Once done, just click Submit. Our message has been submitted to Discord. While waiting for their response, you can also add additional information here. You can add the name of the Discord account that you're going to recover, or any kind of information that will help them identify what Discord account are you recovering. Just click Submit again and the information has been added. One thing to keep in mind is that Discord support will respond to you through the email address of your new Discord account. Within 24 hours, they will send you the next step to finally get your Discord account back. If you have questions, just comment down below. I love answering questions.